motherfucking biscuits. Take a cup of goddamn flour and put it in the goddamn mixing bowl. Spread some more fucking flour over the cutting board like this. Add a tablespoon of goddamn sugar. Add half a tablespoon of baking powder. Quarter teaspoon of salt. Add more and you might as well get fucked by the homeless. Whisk it, dickweed. Whisk it. Whisk it. Put it in a sifter. Motherfucker. Sift, sift, sift. Done, about done, about done. Fuck you. Sift it again. That's twice. Sift it twice. 3/4 of a stick of butter, ass. Add it. Unsalted butter, you cunt. Get your hands in there and knead it. Don't be a pussy, fuckstick. Work it, bitch. Work it. When it looks like crumbs, add some goddamn milk. How much milk? Until it's fucking doughy. Preheat your oven to 450. Put the dough ball on the goddamn motherfucking flour and work it. Work it. Fucking work it. But not that much. And now make little tiny biscuits. Just little biscuits. Not big ones. Just little biscuits. Tiny little motherfucking biscuits. Just like that. Tiny little motherfucking biscuits. Sprinkle flour all over them. Put your little biscuits on an ungreased cookie sheet. Did I say ungreased? I meant ungreased, fuck. And now what? Well, how about putting them in the fucking oven, butt licker? Check them. Check them. Check them. Check them, check them, check them, check them, check them. Check them! Keep checking. Oh, look, they're fucking done. Take them out of the goddamn oven now. Well, there they are. Woohoo! Grandma's homemade motherfucking biscuits.